Hi everyone, my name is Priti and today I'm going to talk about reinforcement. What is reinforcement? Well, it's a basic principle of behavior that was developed by our best friend Skinner. To define reinforcement, it is a behavior followed immediately by a consequence or a reinforcer. Reinforcers result in behavior to be strengthened, which is known as operant behavior. For example, every time I come to class, I get a cookie, I am more likely to attend classes. But there's a difference between reward and reinforcers. Rewards are delivered randomly, the same for everyone, and rewards may or may not strengthen behavior. Reinforcers, on the other hand, are specific and individualized, used right after expected behavior, and might not be something desirable. There are two types of reinforcements. Positive reinforcements, which is presented after behavior like getting money, food, or praise. Negative reinforcements remove a stimulus or punisher, like removing negative evaluation or taking away surveillance. Negative reinforcement can result in escape or avoidance. There are two types of reinforcers. Unconditioned reinforcers, which are biologically determined, such as food and water. Conditioned reinforcers are previously neutral stimulus, for example, money or toys. Now moving on to schedules of reinforcement. There are two types. Continuous reinforcement. Each response is followed by the reinforcer, and intermittent reinforcement. Not every response is followed by a reinforcer. Number 1. Fixed ratio schedule. Reinforcers are given after a fixed number of responses. For example, when trick-or-treating, you get one piece of candy per house. Number 2. Variable ratio schedule. Reinforcers are given after a certain number. For example, a slot machine wins on average once every 50 pulls. Number 3. Fixed interval schedule. Reinforcers are given after a fixed amount of time. For example, at your job, you get paid 10 ringgit every hour. And finally, variable interval schedule. Reinforcers for first response after a certain amount of time on average. For example, when fishing, on average, the fish will bite once every 20 minutes.